people, Turus, once again, it's your girl here, back again, and today guys, we are going to be preparing spaghetti. Yes, spags. And I want to show you, I don't know if it's a secret or it's a, I don't know, it's a hack or what, to obtaining your spaghettis. Nunanga kuna venye unapikanga spaghetti and zimeshikana shikana kama ugali or what. So guys, I'm going to show you a secret of obtaining your spaghetti moja moja. Yeah. So guys, so hapa hivi I'm going to boil them, but I'm going to add lots and lots of salt. And as to why I'm going to do this, you'll know in our next step. So this is the first salt, the second, and the third. Yeah, that way. Yani hiyo chumvi mingi hivyo, and it has a reason, and I'm going to show you why we're going to be doing that. So let me just stir it. For me, huwa sivunji spaghetti zangu. I just like them the way they are because itaenda tu yenyewe ikishrink ikiiva. Yeah, so let's give this some 5 minutes and we continue. Yep, my spaghetti is ready. So this is where the hack is. I'm going to remove this water like that. So I'm going to wash this spaghetti using cold water. Si mnakumbuka I had told you that naeka chumvi mingi, so this is why we needed a lot of salt, because to obtain easy spaghetti zikuwe moja moja, the secret is washing it with cold water after you've already boiled it. Now ukiboil unaeka chumvi mingi because some salt itaenda hapa hivi. So after this is done like that, so good. And our spaghetti is ready, so I'm going to at least fry it kidogo. Yeah. Okay guys, so nataka kukaranga hii spaghetti because nikikaranga I won't have to have a substitute ya kukula nayo, but when it's like this iko ready kabisa. Let me show you. So naona haijashikana shikana, it's so well. So acha tuikarange and give it a nice look and enjoy it. So at this point I'm going to add my tomato paste. With me here, I have some smokies. Nimekatakata hizi smoky kidogo just to be extra, but si lazima maipo. And some capsicum. So I'm going to add it at this point. Just want to be colorful, something beautiful. Then, kama kawaida, my curry powder. Let me add some water. Nice. Then I'm going to add salt, a little bit of salt, because the good thing is salt has absorbed itself for spaghetti. So just a pinch actually. Tunakumbuka tulikuwa tumeosha. Yeah. I also have some grated carrots. Going to add a little bit of some grated carrots, just to make it look colorful and appealing. And when all is good, I'm going to add my spaghetti. Can see? Look how inakaa pretty sana. Wow. Wow, now let's check what's happening here. Wow, 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 wow. And like I normally say, Dania ni a way of saying we're done. So, oh goodness, I am proud of myself because this food is looking awesome. Yani, I can't wait to finish and start straight away. So guys, I hope I've helped someone out there. I hope you've enjoyed my video, guys, because what I'm seeing here, I just can't wait to sit down and eat. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to like, comment, share, click the notification bell so that anything I'm going to post is Peter. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. Thank you guys. Goodbye.